G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D. Here today we've got an Aston Martin. Made in, I think it's Malaysia. Yeah, made in Malaysia. It's that 177. So apparently that stands for only 177. If I'm wrong, I stand corrected, please let me know. But we're just going to do a quick wheel swap on this. I've already drilled the base so I don't waste too much time. This is just another set of wheels that we have in our store, or going up in our store as we speak. These are the Comold. I'm going to put a set of DUNLOP on here. Let's get a bit of focus going up. There we go. You can see those. They're actually quite a nice rim. They're a Comold rim, so they're still all plastic. Here's another set here that we have. There's the Comold there as well. Bridgestone Potenza. They're going on another car. Alright, so what we're going to do is we've got the wheels to go on. Bam. Bam. Base is drilled. Yep. There we go. Base is nicely comes off. This is just something I got at the markets the other day too, that car. Now all I do now is I get my little favourite hobby tool. We all got our own little favourite tools. This little jobby here, and I use it to flick the axles out. But what I do is I just I'll get that lined up so you can see. I just go in here, just pull that little finger up a little bit on there and get in behind the axle. Pull that little finger up a little bit. You can do it, you can heat it up if you wanted to do it that way. Yep. And I don't want to do it in front of the camera, I don't want to flick it, smash the lens. There's these things when they come out alright, like a ripper. Just go through there gently. So I try my hardest not to break these off. Doesn't matter if you do, really, because at the end of the day, the wheels are going to stay in there because of the way the interiors are made on them today. And we'll just get this other one here out of the road. Same thing, my little tool, bend that up, bend that up, bend that up, and I'll just keep bending them up. Not keep bending up, but just enough so you can see that you can get in there. And then I'll go in this way, on the side. And that way you can repurpose these axles and wheels, as opposed to just cutting them off. If you don't want to drill the base, well, this is the way you do it. I've drilled the base. And just get underneath here so I don't bend my axle. And we'll just pop him out. Alright. That way you can repurpose those wheels and axles. And then that, okay, before I do that, get into the habit. I do this here just so you can have a click running. Just clean those out a little bit. Just pull the little spikes up. Be careful when you're doing it like that, because you can actually pull them off and snap them off. And they do snap off quite easy. Like I said, don't stress if you do snap them off. The wheels are going to still stay in place, so to speak. Just pulling it up there. Give it a bit of a blow. Right, let's just put that down. Push that into position there. And most of the times I've been able to push them back in. I'll just grab my little tool there that I like. I'll just push them in. There we go. No cutting for these. These are the perfect size, these wheels. Wheel sets, yep. And the same with this one. Just wait to see the difference that these make on this little car. Now these aren't your real riders. These are Comolds. They're all plastic, but they do look cool, and they do spin like your original wheels. Easy as. Alright, right. So let's grab it. Let's get into it. Let's get that back onto there. Let's get that onto there. Have a look at that. What a huge difference. See that? There we go. So we have a look at him there. That's how quick it is to do these. Only takes you about a minute to drill the base, but I just thought I'd speed things up a bit instead of having these videos which are miles long. Well, we got those, then they'll be on our, they might be already be on our website, them ones there, but they will be up on there. And that's what they look like there, and that's how easy they are to fit. Just drill the base. I picked that one there because I only had one rivet as well. I'm getting lazy. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with another clip, and we'll go from there. Take care, everyone. Talk to you again soon.